right, guys. So yeah, man, like I said, we're at Highland Park today, aka KTM World, me and G Money. And today we bring out the XXs, you know what I'm saying, 125 and 250. We bring it to the KTM World to give you guys the ultimate experience, as you see. Yeah, we just gonna give it a whip. I ain't been out here in like 4 years. So yeah, stay tapped. Stay tapped. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere.
Let me spin this around the block real time. Say less. Look, y'all. That's on my face right now. bro?
What's up, man?
What's your name?
Sosa?
Sosa?
Yeah.
G. You're my boy YZ.
What's up, man?
He was following us, bro.
Yeah, I was,
We
like behind
sliding.
him, for real. And I saw you got like all the way down there.
What you think?
Oh, you know I love it.
Yeah.
You know I'm 250.
Look like you smooth on this. That one better than this one, bro. Bro, I thought I lost my life, bro.
Yeah.
That bitch went to flying, dog.
What size is that one?
125.
Oh, 125?
Yeah, bro. This bitch moved, bro.
It's fast.
Hell yeah.
You just got that one?
Huh?
You just got that one?
Well, this is his bike. So we just swapped the ride.
What size is that one?
This is 250.
Oh, that's 250?
Yes.
Boy, 34, that's a hard ass shit. That boy YZ got me on the hard trail. I don't know, y'all. This is bumpy as hell, y'all. Lot of Woo, that was close. Damn, y'all. Look where we at. Shit. That motherfucker ain't no joke.
Man, I'm about to take a little quick. Brian gonna check. I see that shit. Uh-oh. This that shit I like, guys. That's why. Yeah. Hey, look at this today. This shit would have been hilarious.
That shit don't do no justice on the camera, y'all. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, kid. I want time back.
That's how it's done, y'all.
That's how you do it, boy.
125. Who said, man, I'm 200 and something pounds, bitch. 200 and something pounds, bitch. The little 125 just came in. Man, come on, man.
Come on, stop playing. 125 babies.
Woo, that shit crazy right there. you. Rap for your ass. Damn, son. Y'all see this shit?
Hey, I think I'm about to go around that shit.
Can we?
Yeah, look.
Yes, sir. We out here in the middle of nowhere. The park is officially about to close. And you see where we at? We still down in the woods. I just went down. Little light spill. My boy got caught up in the rocks right there. You see these rocks? Stop playing. But yeah, man, we on the mission now. We on the mission to get our ass up out of here. Hit that like and subscribe if you want me to get up out these goddamn woods, bro. Me and G stuck out here. This is a real one right here. This KTM world shit right here. Y'all boys
Y'all see how deep this shit is, y'all? I'm not trying to do no clutch work right now.
We out here.
You coast.
Come on, boy, you fall off that shit if you want to.
shit ain't that bad.
The motherfuckers, they got some cinders.
Yeah, you gotta send that bitch, boy.
That's the motherfucker. Bro over there chasing after the deers, man. That shit hilarious. Can't see it though.